Hello viewers, I am Maithili. Today we are going to see 12 CBSE Maths Continuity and Differentiability exercise 5.1 question number 24. Let's see the question. Determine if f defined by f of x is equal to x square sine 1 by x if x is not equal to 0. 0 if x is equal to 0 is a continuous function. Here they have asked us to find the continuous function. The given thing is x is equal to 0. At x is equal to 0 we are going to find whether it is continuous or not. Here f of x is x square sine x 1 by x. Here it is, even here it is on the 0 it is 0. The other place also it is x square sine 1 by x. Only on the 0 it is 0. It is not equal to 0 on the left hand side, on the right hand side both it will be x square sine 1 by x. Now limit x tends to 0. I am going to take the left hand side. Limit x tends to 0 negative f of x. Here we know that limit x tends to 0 negative f of x is x square sine 1 by x. We can take the left hand side or right hand side, whatever side is the limit, the value is f of x value is equal. Now if you see, if we substitute 0, it will be 1 by 0 which is not defined. Sine not defined, we don't know the value. For that reason we know a formula that we have studied last year, that limit x tends to 0, sine x by x is equal to 1. We know that when limit x tends to 0, sine x by x is equal to 1. So I am going to change sine x as sine x by x, because the denominator, if I substitute the value 0, it becomes 1 by 0. So sine not defined, we don't have a function like that. So I am going to multiply and divide by 1 by x in both the numerator and the denominator. I am multiplying 1 by x on both the numerator and denominator. Now this becomes limit x tends to 0. This x and x get cancelled. Now this becomes x into sine 1 by x by 1 by x. Now this is in the form of sine x by x. Here the theta value is 1 by x. Here also it's 1 by x. So the theta value and the denominator is same here. So while substituting the value of 0, this limit becomes 1, and here while substituting x value as 0, it becomes 0 into 1 which is 0. This is equal to our f of 0. F of 0 is substituting the value of 0 in f of x. We know that where at x is equal to 0, it is 0. So this is equal to f of 0, which is nothing but 0. So LHL is equal to f of 0 equal to RHL. Even when I substitute RHL means the same f of x, so the pattern will be same. So I am not doing it again. We know that LHL is equal to f of 0 equal to RHL. Therefore it is continuous at x is equal to 0. That's all with the sum. Thank you.